welcome to our session on nature art. Thanks for joining us. Moreland Libraries would like to say thank you to the Wiradjuri people of the Kulin Nation. Thank you for sharing your land with us. We promise to look after it. The animals, the waterways and the people too. So together we can say, hello land, reach down low. Hello sky, up high. Hello me, big hug. And hello friends. Great, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to talk about nature art and see what sort of things that you can create. But first we're going to start with a story. The story today is Guess How Much I Love You in the Springtime by Sam McBratney and Anita Jeram. Little nut brown hare and big nut brown hare went hopping in the spring. Spring is when things start growing after winter. They saw a tiny acorn growing. Someday it will be a tree, said Big Nut Brown Hare. A big tree? Oh, a mighty tree, said Big Nut Brown Hare. Little Nut Brown Hare spotted a tadpole in a pool. It was a tiny tadpole and as wriggly as could be. It will grow up to be a frog, said Big Nut Brown Hare. Like that frog over there. Just the same as that one, said Big Nut Brown Hare. A tiny caterpillar slowly crossed the path in front of them in search of something green to eat. One day soon it will change into a butterfly, said Big Nut Brown Hare. With wings? Oh, lovely wings, said Big Nut Brown Hare. And then they found a bird's nest among the rushes. It was full of eggs. What does an egg turn into? Asked Little Nut Brown Hare. Ah, a bird. A big bird? Well, a grown-up bird, said Big Nut Brown Hare. Does nothing stay the same? Thought Little Nut Brown Hare. Does everything change? Then he began to laugh. What does a little brown hare like turn into? He asked. Big Nut Brown Hare began to think and think. Goodness me, did he know the answer? Yes. A big nut brown hare like me. Next, it's time for that walk through the garden so you can create some nature art. Have a little walk around your backyard, maybe a local park, or just around your neighbourhood. All we need you to do is collect lots of different shapes, sizes, textures and colours. So think about all the different leaves that you can find, different types of grass, different flowers, maybe pieces of bark or bits of wood and stone. Once you've got your collection of bits and pieces of nature, you just need some scissors, glue and paper. Have a look at the templates that you might like to print off, or just use the blank paper and some drawings to create your very own nature art. Have fun!